Hello, today we are showing this printer Canon imageRUNNER. This printer is scanning option. How to scanning option? The scanning option is the user go the printer and just uh, scan and select your computer, automatically come to the desktop. So I show you how to do this one. I am enter the printer and giving the password. So already entered the printer, need to address book add. So Babu, this name is no need. Or delete this one, or we can edit, no issues. 5. So username we are checking in here. What is the username? Babu scanning. Yeah, they are also already creating. Now we are sharing this one, but they are not creating. We are creating here the one file, folders, name SEAN, just any name you can give. We are giving scan, then right button. We are sharing the file, sharings, sharing, then everyone for using, add, we write giving permission, share, done, add one sharing permission. We are giving all permission. When not have, you just give, then change, then okay, then apply, then okay. You check your network is sharing is done on or off. Check network device done sharings. Just you off password protection or everything as it is. Done. The desktop name is here. We give this name where we are enter the printers. This we are giving view. So okay, then this share name, then this my folder name is scan. So we are keep copy this one, giving the scan, SCN. So just few minutes. What is the name of user? I don't know. Need to just see, then close. Or scanning share is done. Now we are giving shortcut in desktop. Send to desktop. This one is now not working. Delete, then which name, then checking in the PC, Babu. So their printer name also I have the Babu also same, then okay, then done. We are checking, then I show you, then we show you this scanning is coming here or not. Just few seconds. Now we are checking the scanning. Now we are giving scan in this path. Why this is kind of moment. Ah, this scan is coming. Yes, you see this scan is coming. We are giving shortcut now. Ah, see scan is coming. Now we are giving shortcut in this desktop. This one is working. Thank you.